Imagine hitting the open road with a vehicle that's not just a mode of transportation, but a true companion for adventure, compact, stylish, and packed with features that make every journey unforgettable. That's the 2025 Suzuki Camper van for you. A perfect blend of functionality, innovation, and comfort, designed to cater to both city drivers and off-the-grid explorers alike. Whether you're navigating through narrow streets or setting up camp under a starlit sky, this van is built to handle it all with ease. From the front, the camper van grabs attention with its bold grille and sleek LED headlights that not only enhance nighttime visibility but also lend it a distinctly modern look. Its aerodynamic design features sharp lines and smooth curves that improve fuel efficiency while maintaining a stylish edge. Along the sides, the van showcases a practical yet elegant profile. Compact enough for tight parking spots, but spacious enough to promise comfort within. The rear is equally thoughtful, providing easy access to its generous storage area and featuring a clean, functional design that ties the whole exterior together seamlessly. What sets the camper apart is its clever use of space and innovative features, including a pop-up roof that transforms the interior into a versatile living area. This isn't just about convenience, it creates a second sleeping space with ample headroom, perfect for families or couples who want the freedom to roam without sacrificing comfort. Inside, the layout is a marvel of ergonomic design, offering a fold-out bed, a modular kitchen with a stove, sink, and fridge, and enough storage to keep all your essentials organized. Details like adjustable lighting and multiple USB ports ensure a comfortable, connected experience, even when you're miles away from civilization. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Camper delivers options to suit different driving needs. The base model is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine, offering 120 horsepower and 130 pound-feet of torque, making it ideal for city commutes and highway cruising. For those looking for more efficiency, the hybrid version combines electric and gasoline power to deliver 140 horsepower and an impressive average of 50 miles per gallon, perfect for long-distance travelers who want to minimize fuel stops. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but an optional all-wheel drive upgrade provides the confidence to tackle rougher terrain, making the camper as capable off-road as it is on city streets. Tech-savvy travelers will appreciate the camper's modern interior technology. A sleek digital dashboard and a large touchscreen infotainment system put navigation, entertainment, and connectivity at your fingertips. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, your favorite apps are always within reach. Suzuki's Smart Connect system ensures smooth integration, making even the longest road trips enjoyable and stress-free. The 2025 Suzuki Camper van offers incredible value for its features, with a starting price of $32,000 for the base model. Hybrid trims and additional upgrades push the price closer to $38,000. But when you consider the combination of advanced design, innovative features, and exceptional efficiency, it's clear that this van is a worthwhile investment. Deliveries are expected to begin in early 2025, and it's poised to set new standards for camper vehicles, appealing to both seasoned travelers and those just beginning their road trip adventures.